Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying what kind of Google voucher you have and why it applies. This matters because gift cards, promo codes, and corporate vouchers redeem differently. Once done, sign into the Google account you want a credit and make sure your payment methods match region and currency. Next, find the physical or digital code, email, PDF, or seller portal, and copy it exactly. You need that code ready. If you skip this, redemption will fail, and you will waste time troubleshooting formatting or account mismatches. You now redeem the voucher where it belongs: Google Play for apps, the payment center for account credit, or a specific product redemption page. Enter the code exactly. People often mix O and 0 or I and 1, so double-check characters. After successful redemption, decide whether to apply the balance to a single purchase or leave it as account credit for recurring subscriptions. This choice affects billing priority. If you plan multiple purchases, split payments by using the voucher balance first, then a backup card if needed. You finish by confirming the balance or purchase receipt immediately. Check the on-screen confirmation and the confirmation email so you have proof. If something goes wrong, first verify region restrictions, expiration date, and whether your account type allows that voucher. Many corporate or promo codes have limits. If errors persist, gather the code, screenshots, and transaction ID, then contact the seller or Google support for escalation. A clear record speeds resolution, and make sure to mention any error messages you saw.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.